Hello, hey everyone, welcome to Sleepy Radiology classes. And I promise it will be easy for you. Namaste, welcome to Sleepy Radiology classes. And today we are with a new topic MRI safety. So you can see we are mentioning three color code. One is green, another one is yellow, and red. I'll say you what is the meaning of this color code of our today's uh, topic. So first of all, before moving on to my topic, I just want to dedicate this topic to one of my favorite student. I'll not mention his name here right now, and he is one of my best student, and he has specially encouraged me to for this topic. And also, I want to dedicate this topic for all the staffs, publics, and this topic is mainly for public interest and staff interest, as well as all the trainees of our radiology department. So moving on the topic, first of all you have to know what is safety. So once we say about the safety means we want to protect ourselves from any kind of danger, any unwanted risks or injury. So always keep the code in mind. Safety means S for search for hazard, so you have to search for the hazard. A for analyze the risks, we have to analyze where is the risks, how we can take measure from that. F for the finding of the cause. Okay. E for eliminating the cause, means try as much as possible to recover from this and save everyone from further harmful effects and risks. T for tell others, you have to tell everyone how you are going to do. Increase rapid amount of trainings among the staffs, clinicals, entire hospital area, anywhere in the college campus. So focus on that thing. And why you have to ultimately focus on that, you are safe. So I hope you are clear with the term which is safety. So coming to our main topic is why we require safety in MRI is not for the machine itself, because we all know MRI is a non-ionizing radiation. So non-ionizing means what? It is not going to affect so much, so it is safer for use, but its environment is creating an havoc. So you have to keep in mind that it is using a strong magnetic field, and magnetic is always on there. I'm going to explain on that. So you have to keep in mind that the safety concern which we are taking regarding MRI is not for the modality, because it's a non-ionizing radiation, but only for the environment, because this environment of MRI is very much dangerous. So if we won't record ourselves, it will be harmful for everyone, right? So if you're going to the field of MRI, what you see is this MRI field is forming three major magnetic field. One is static magnetic field, okay. One is RF magnetic field, radio frequency magnetic field, and the one is a gradient magnetic field. So static means the electronic field which we are creating, means we are creating a superconductive field where we are energizing the electrodes and making the field capable for producing a strong magnet. So that is my static magnetic field, and it is always kept on. RF magnetic field is like we are creating the RF pulse once. So we have a code. What is that? How MRI images are formed? Place the patient, switch on the RF pulse, switch off the RF pulse, receive the signal, take out the patient, and process the images on the computer. So this is a small step how MRI images are acquired. Next is gradient magnetic field. So we know there are three types of gradient magnetic field. One is a gradient coil, which is used to produce the images, mainly the electrical field. Next is sim coil is there, who is producing the uniformity of the field. And another we have the RF coil, which are producing or which are transmitting and receiving the signals. So that was about a short brief about our gradient field. We have a ACR guideline, that is blue ribbon panel guideline of MRI, which mainly focuses on how precautions we are going to take. ACR is American College of Registry. And I want to say one more thing is recently our ISRRT, International Society of Radiologists and Technologists, under Dimitris sir, has organized an e-learning facility. So you can go there, be a guest lecturer, guest joinee, and you can take the initiative of having a nice course of that. Even our ESRO, European Society of Radiology organization, is also taking an initiative of e-learning, as well as there is a protocol, we have Euro Red, where we are guiding all the safety concerns, all the case details. So be a part of that Euro Red and ISRRT, where I have put the link of this, and you can enjoy the vast knowledge of radiology. So next, moving to the thing is, we have to keep on mind this thing, that on, that means our magnetic field where the scanner is placed, जहाँ स्कैनर प्लेस करके है वो एरिया पे हमेशा जो मैग्नेट है वो ऑन रहता है, और आपको एक लाइक स्मॉल ट्रेन के साउंड हमेशा सुनाई देगा, चिक 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 लाइक दैट. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स योर मैग्नेट इज ऑलवेज ऑन. और एक बात ध्यान में रखना है कि डिपार्टमेंट में कभी भी करंट फेलियर नहीं होना चाहिए. सो डिपार्टमेंट ऑलवेज शुड हैव द बैकअप्स टू प्रिवेंट द एक्सप्लोशन. अगर बैकअप नहीं रहा, करेंट 2 दिन 3 दिन के लिए चला गया, जो हीलियम अंदर है, नाइट्रोजन अंदर है, वो हीटअप हो जाएगा, क्योंकि उनका जो टेम्परेचर है दैट इज -273 केल्विन सेल्सियस, सॉरी नॉट केल्विन, सेल्सियस. So this will heat up and it will evaporate and the machine will blast, as well as it is going to miss out all the superconductivity properties. Okay, so keep in mind that your magnetic field is produced, and there the magnet is always on. Precautions will be very much taken inside the scanner room, that is where the machine is installed. Okay, next we have to keep in mind that the earth magnetic field and the MRI magnetic field. So comparing that, the magnetic field which is produced in our MRI scan is 5 times more compared to the earth magnetic field, and basically we are denoting that in the form of Tesla, 1 Tesla, 3 Tesla, 7 Tesla. So एक बात हमेशा ध्यान में रखना कि higher the field Tesla, जितना आपका फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ ज्यादा होगा. फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ कैसे मेजर करते हैं? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टेस्ला. तो हायर द फील्ड, मोर विल बी द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रॉपर्टी. सो रिसेंटली वी आर हैविंग 14 टेस्ला machine in New York which is under process, and 7 Tesla has already been launched in our Ames hospital, and it is a silent MRI. Silent means there will be no such much noise. Why? Because noise also is creating some havoc in the environment. Okay, so let's move. Next is fringe field. Fringe field, and we say is that the entire planning of the MRI system and setup is done on the basis of Faraday casing. So there what we do is we always mark with red line. I'll show in the videos. So this is the red line mark which we show that this is the 5-meter gauge line. So what means that the intimate, the more closer you come to the bore of the magnet. So this is the bore of the magnet. The more you come closer, the more will be the strength of the magnetic field, and more will be the danger. So that is why always keep in mind that try to be as much as far as possible from this bore of the magnet to reduce any kind of incidents. जो ये है MRI का जो bore of the magnetic field होता है, तो इसमें क्या होता है कि जितना आप नज़दीक जाओगे बोर में, एटलीस्ट 1 मीटर डिस्टेंस जो होते हैं वो बहुत ही डेंजर जोन होते हैं. तो जितना आप नज़दीक जाओगे उतना क्या करेगा, जो भी मेटल्स लेके जाओगे, जो भी MR इनकम्फर्टेबल होगा, उन्हीं को आपका जो मशीन है वो खींच लेगा. तो एटलीस्ट हम लोग क्या करते हैं, 5 मीटर एक गॉज लाइन लगा देते हैं, ताकि अब जब भी MRI स्कैन के अंदर रहो तो एटलीस्ट ये जो एरिया है उसी में कोई भी फेरोमैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस, कोई भी MR इनकम्फर्टेबल चीज़ें जो MRI में अप्रूव नहीं है, उन चीज़ों को मत लेके जाइए. ऐसे भी इनका इन्फॉर्मेशन हम लोग डोर में प्ले कार्ड के हिसाब से लगा देते हैं कि आप इन्हीं का प्रिकॉशन ले लीजिए. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज मूविंग टू द एनवायरनमेंट. क्यों हमने बताया कि जो सेफ्टी है हमको किस हिसाब से लेना है, मशीन के हिसाब से नहीं, उनके एनवायरनमेंट के हिसाब से. तो जो हमारा MRI एरिया है उसको हमने 4 जोन में डिजाइन किया है. जोन 1, जोन 2, जोन 3 और जोन 4. तो लेट्स मूव. What is zone 1, what is zone 2, and what is zone 3 and 4? So coming to zone 1 is the non-detected area of magnetic field, and there is no restrictions. So it may be like reception areas and all the areas. Zone 2 is the area क्या होता है कि there will be detector of magnetic field, but restriction is less. मतलब you can enter, but you're slowly entering to your area of MRI field, but that is okay. You have not to take so much of precautions. Next is my zone 3. So zone 3 is the just one step away from our scanner room, that is maybe it our control panel areas, patient screening area. So that field will be my zone 3, and zone 4 is the actual MRI scanning room, where this machine is placed and where your magnet is on. So this one is very very dangerous. You can see with the color code. So I said you that we are using three colors green. So let's move on to a small what to say informations. What is a small story? We ever heard about traffic signal? So traffic signal red means what? Danger. If you're crossing that, what will happen? It will be harmful for you. So that is our zone 4. And next is zone 2. That is yellow signal. Get ready. But there is no such injuries will happen. So not so much havoc will be there. So that is zone yellow marking. And zone 1 means green. Green means go. You are safe. Okay, so there you should not be taking any kind of precautions. So we'll move to that. So zone 1 indicates my reception area where I'm going to receive the patients. I'll make the planning for the patient waiting areas also in zone 1. Zone 2 is restriction area where only the patients who will undergo the MRI will be entered in this zone 2. Zone 3 is the main zone area, that may be a control panel as well as the patient screening area. So while screening, we should keep on mind that patient doesn't have any kind of implant, ferromagnetic substance, and patient should not also be pregnant. At least first trimester. I'll say you the reason why first trimester we are considering for a pregnancy state. And zone 4 is the danger zone. So if you enter, you will be in the saw and teeth of our danger MRI machine, who is going to engulf you at a speed. It means it's a high speed. It is going to engulf us. Okay, so be careful when you are on this type of zones. So which is the most important zone is zone 4. So zone 1 is free for everyone. It's like green signal, you can go. Zone 4 is like red signal. When you are near to the zone 4, just you should stop going inside with taking any kind of ferromagnetic substance, because there what happens is any kind of ferromagnetic substance are attracted at a speed of 4 mph depending on its shape, size and डिजाइन. सो दिट इज वेरी मच इफेक्टिव इनसाइड द बॉडी. तो क्या होता है कि जोन 4 जो होता है पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट के लिए ये है कि आप जब भी ये जोन 4 पे चले जाओगे तो मतलब वो होता है हमारा एमआरआई के जो डोर होता है. तो बेसिकली जो पेशेंट पार्टी है या पेशेंट का टीम होते हैं, आप लोग एक बार ध्यान में रखो कि आपके साथ कोई भी फेरोमैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस, इम्प्लांट्स, जो भी मेटल की तैयार हुआ होता है जो मतलब जिसमें आयरन है या मैग्नेटिक एट्रैक्टिव प्रॉपर्टी है, उन चीज़ों को मत लेके जाए. क्योंकि अगर आप लेके जाओगे तो मैं आगे जाकर आपको दिखाऊंगी बहुत सारी इंसिडेंट्स भी हुआ है. तो वो चीज़ क्या करते हैं, इसको बोलते हैं प्रोजेक्टाइल इफेक्ट, जो उस चीज़ को बहुत ज़ोर से खींचता है. जो इनका स्पीड होता है वो कम से कम अराउंड 420 mph के स्पीड में वो खींचते हैं. तो ये डिपेंड करेगा उसका साइज़ क्या है, शेप क्या है और डिज़ाइन भी क्या है. तो आपको बहुत प्रिकॉशन रहना है इन चीज़ों में जब भी आप ये चीज़ों का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो. तो प्लीज़ एमआरआई रूम पे आपका एटीएम कार्ड, स्पेशली मोबाइल फ़ोन्स, सीजर्स, पब्लिक आपका लाइसेंस, गन, ये सब चीज़ें मत लेके जाइए.
लेके जाओ, नहीं तो ये सब हो जाएगा.